And as you can see, it's a little bit gloomy compared to yesterday. We're off to Portsmouth for my mother-in-law's birthday. Leo. Sorry we're doing a bit of an Aussie accent.
Yeah,
can't help it at the minute. Don't know why. Why do we do that?
I don't know, if you're a koala.
Right. And you're a polar bear, so you're completely the wrong country.
I go to Australia,
right.
So
well, this is a big bear. This is Leo. Actually, it's a lion. Leo.
Yeah,
Leo, the lion Logan. Hello.
Leo's also a bear.
You're a bear. You're gorgeous, aren't you?
Good boy.
We got some cheeky Joe Malone, which she's going to think is just other stuff in a bag, but it is actually Joe. Hope she likes it. We've got a card and a little mini cake from M&S. And we're ready to party, except there's nobody here.
No.
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 Oh no. Or as your mum would say.
Oh, Dr. Pepper, 0 sugar, 0 calories.
Or as your mum would say.
Shut
oh no.
door.
Shut door.
Oh no.
Shut the door, Mum.
Oh no, shut door.
Go on then, shut the door.
Oh, I'll shut the door. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you by the singer Nancy the Stars.
What is this?
Turn it up.
That's awful.
Happy birthday,
dear Shirley.
Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good?
Perfect.
So what do you do?
You use your spoon to detach the oyster from its bed, so that ends. Is it attached?
Yeah.
And now you use the wide end.
Yeah.
Place at the wide end towards your mouth. It's easy there, it's like a funnel. Yeah.
All of it.
So you put it all in your mouth and you chew it and then swallow it. Yeah, ready? Hey, it's big. I really like it. I'll be happy to live on them. Nice, eh?
Delicious.
Good. Right, have a sip of your muscadet. It kills off the bacteria. The acidity kills off the bacteria of the raw oyster. That's why we had muscadet. Or better served with chablis.
So we're just home from Portsmouth and we have got a storm happening. And as storm lovers, well, weather lovers, this excites us. This is a fun way to spend Friday, Saturday night. So here we are. Some pretty spectacular fork lightning going on at the minute, and thunder and rain, and it's going to get worse by all accounts. Whoa! Your dad took the dog out.
Hmm?
He took the dog out, so
Yeah, check that out.
and we took him out, so he should be alright, right?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm gonna watch this for you now.
We should, because there's some pretty spectacular fork. Wow. Got it. I just need a clap of thunder now.
Should be close by, should be. They just had it, it's dried up in Portsmouth then.
So it's Sunday morning, the storm has cleared after last night and we are in bed, just had breakfast in bed and we're watching the London Marathon. So good luck to all running, definitely going to be doing that one day. Come on Mo.
Come on Mo, good luck to all the runners.
Woo! She's really come from behind though, like...
I know, she's brilliant.
I feel sorry for Katani, she was doing really well.
I know. She's won it 4 times.
Yeah, I know, but she was in front for all that time.
I know, she won it 4 times.
Yeah, come on then. Yeah, well done, well done. 2:18, still not a record. Well done. Paula's still got the record.
Paula's still got it from 2003.
Paula's sitting there, she's like, haha, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I've shut it for like, Paula's had the record for 15 years. Amazing.
So not giving out the silver blankets this year then?
It's not cold. For once.
It's not raining, it's not cold.
It's not raining, it's not cold.
I'm sorry, we're still doing the Aussie accent. We're not sure why. It just keeps happening, doesn't it?
It does.
I don't know why. Oh, super zoomed in.
Yeah, just be careful.
Are you naked?
Yeah, I don't want you to get me. I don't want to get you me cracking the shot.
Right.
RB7.
Come on, Mo.
Come on, Mo. That's really good. Go. Well done, mate. Go on, mate. Yeah.
Yes, third for Mo. Well done.
Well done, Mo.
Good, good.
They got sub 5.
Oh, bless him.
Oh, come on, don't let that other one catch you.
Come on, Mary.
Go on.
Quick, 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 quick.
I think maybe Gladys Chirono, who's working her way back to her. She's still got a turn.
Go on. Oh, they're great. Marathon
Probably her
runner.
last marathon, I reckon.
To keep moving to the end. She will be aware that she's
Oh no, no,
as she breezes past her, but just to keep
Oh.
that momentum going to the finish line. And I hope there's going to be people there at the end to collect and to help Mary Katani. She's rallying a bit of a sprint here. She doesn't want to be beaten.
Well, she tried to pick up, didn't she? She was passed by Chirono, wasn't able to do so. She bravely had a bit of a go.
So it's
Chirono
1-2
was
Kenya,
gonna finish
3
in 4th place.
Ethiopia,
Chirono, solid run for
4th
her.
and 5th Kenya, probably, by the looks of it, isn't it?
Thoughts that, you know, if the top 2 falter, she
Kenya
would be
dominating
top 3 where she's
in
finished
Ethiopia.
4th. The top 2 did falter, big star. No Tunesh Dibaba and Mary Katani bravely getting to the finish line just about. And I'm not sure
Bless her.
I've seen Mary Katani in this situation. You know, you can get it wrong and do what Dibaba did and stop a long
What happened
way from
last
the
year?
finish, and she's decided to keep going.
Who had problems last year?
There's been a hard day. We said right at the start.
One of the great women as well.
You will pay dearly for it. Mary Katani, sadly for her.
Well done.
Well done.
She will
Not that far off though, she just couldn't pull it. She couldn't do it. Oh, bless her. Well done.
Oh,
Great athlete. Honestly, life of a YouTuber. I have been trying to upload this since yesterday. Internet is doing my head in. 5 hours? Are you kidding me? Good morning, it's Monday. How are you guys? Unfortunately, we did not wake up to sunny weather like we did last week. This morning I decided to do a little bit of preemptive. So this morning I'm feeling a bit crappy on my antibiotics and I've been a bit sicky. So I'm not going to put any makeup on, sorry about that. So I've decided to keep myself busy. So I've done all the housework. So I put the dishwasher on, had a bath. I've got a doctor's appointment later, so I've done a little bit of blogging, just 2 things for later on in the week. Finding it sort of hard to do at the minute, but yes, so I thought I would show you. Not gonna lie, this amazing marble print duvet set from Primark is amazing. So in love with it, just not only because it is a wonderful duvet set to sleep in, but also it's lovely for blogging. So this is what I've been doing this morning. So it's a little outfit that I all my little bits and bobs. It's a little outfit that I've sort of put together that I'm really liking. So that is the New Look Curves Jenna jeans, but they are skinny jeans, and I'm absolutely loving these at the minute. So comfy, and they can look kind of smart or casual, whichever way you want to dress it up or down. The aviators are from Peacocks, really simple. The bracelet is a rose gold one, and it is from Next Official from last summer, I think. And the top is a lovely, really long tee with tassels, and it is from the Papaya Curve range, and it says Escape the Ordinary, Forever Evolving, and I just really like the colour. Love red. I think it kind of suits me as well, and I just thought that was a really cool outfit, so I put that together. And I did a little bit of beauty blogging as well, and I'm going to show you a little secret. So obviously somebody of my height, just about 5'2", it's a bit easy to get those lovely blogging shots. So in comes the makeup stool. Climb on board. Obviously make sure that you've cleared off this morning's PJs and things, but there you have it. Your bedspread becomes your background, and you are ready to go. Stand on here, look out the window, everybody's looking at what I'm doing. I'm just changing the light bulb. Kidding, I've never changed a light bulb in my life. That's Mike's job, isn't it? That sounded a bit sexist, didn't it? No, it's not that I can't change a light bulb. Let me talk to you this way. It's not that I can't change a light bulb, it's more that I'm a bit scared of changing a light bulb. Maybe I don't... I just don't want to change a light bulb. It's not that I can't change a light bulb. Obviously the height thing has usually got in the way. So it's a beautiful evening here. Mike's having his first alfresco dinner.
Hey, Hen.
Spaghetti bolognese outside.
Good girl, Henny's.
Henny's loving it.
Beautiful. Thank
Good.
you very much.
And we've got a beautiful...
So lucky my mates and wife did it.
Oh, thanks, babe. We've got beautiful blue sky. I am listening to Europop. I'm listening to Europop and pretending that I'm on holiday right now. Holiday.